Today we happen to be one of our 383 Chevy stroker engines. We're running a dyno pump on this one today because we're waiting for our March kit to come in, and I didn't want to put another pump on here. But again, custom built engine for the customer, beautiful table of wires, MSD distributor, a Phi-Tech EFI system, just the way we want it. We built it, the customer when it's done. It'll be a fantastic motor, but again, it's a 450 and it runs at 467 horsepower, 487 foot-pounds of torque. Again, here, Proformance Unlimited, it's proof in the performance, and that's what we do here. We not only build a gorgeous motor, but we make sure they run on a dyno with no oil leaks, no water leaks, and that motor leaves here fantastic. Thank you. How's that? Right up on high idle, and it'll come on down.